Hi guys, welcome to our Designer's Den. We're back here at our Com Park location here in Colorado, and I'm so excited. We have our expert designer from Aurora, Dawn. Dawn, I'm so glad you're here.
I'm glad to be here too. Thanks for having me.
Yes, I'm so excited because we have some fun stuff to show our viewers today, don't we? We do. We are in series number 2 of our dining series, so we've got some fun tips about how you can use different servers or buffet units, and that things don't have to be matchy-matchy.
They sure don't.
So we can do some fun, innovative things today, right?
Okay, let's do it.
But let's get started.
Okay.
We've got the Colorado Collection table here. That's what we're going to start with. And I just love this look. It's kind of got a rustic vibe to it. It has a really cool chevron pattern on top. It has a leaf that, you know, can have up to 6 to 8 people. What do you think about this table?
I love this table. It's a great height. It's a counter height. So it really encourages people to linger and visit.
Yes, and gather. Yes, like we're doing. And I love that it has a really cool bench seat, and it has these great counter height bar stool chairs. They're fully upholstered. It's just a really overall really great look.
It is.
So, but we should get to what we have at hand here, because this is what we're here to talk about today. Let's look at it. Okay, so the Colorado Collection has this great server. I love this server. You have these wonderful drawers. They're felt lined, just really high quality, you know. And Dawn, I don't know if you noticed that both the table and the server have this great wine rack on each of them and some really great storage here.
I did notice. It also has really interesting detail, the wheel on the bottom.
I love that, yes.
Very fun.
It has kind of that fun industrial vibe,
It
too.
does.
Yes. Now, would you say that these are removable? Because you can do some really neat things there without them.
They are removable. It is a clean shelf.
Okay.
So if you're not a wine drinker, you can use it for more storage.
So just great functional and versatility, right?
Definitely.
But what we really want to show you is how we can mix this up, right?
Yes.
So let's do it.
Okay, let's go.
Oh my goodness, Dawn, this is such a great idea, isn't it?
It is.
Tell me about this.
So we chose to go with a fireplace.
I love this.
It adds a lot of ambience, don't you think?
It really, really does. And you know, this is a fireplace console. It's 78 inches by Sawyer, and you know, it still has that wonderful buffet style to it.
It does.
You still have the glass doors here that you can still use as buffet storage for all your serving needs. And then this fireplace is such a unique option. It just gives you such a wonderful like dining experience.
It does. And if the fireplace isn't right for your home, you don't have to do it. There's a shelf option too.
Okay, wonderful. So again, flexibility and functionality.
Definitely.
I love this option.
Me too.
So let's look at the next look, shall we?
Let's do it.
Okay, let's go. Now, Dawn, we're here at our second look, and it's such a departure from our first style. You know, a little bit more contemporary and sleek.
Yes.
Tell me about this table.
So this table has a nice faux marble top.
I really like that.
It gets you the look of the marble.
Okay.
But it's much more durable.
Oh, so not all the fussiness of the marble. Oh, okay, very nice.
And in the same collection are these beautiful chairs, super sleek, contemporary.
Yes.
But you can just wipe up the stain if there is one, a mess, you can just wipe it right up.
I love the functionality of this. Just so slick. It's got this nice faux leather look, faux marble look, but what a great style. Now, the only thing though is that this table does not have like a sideboard or a buffet, does it?
It doesn't. But at American Furniture Warehouse, we do have lots of options.
Oh, so that sounds great. So what do we have here?
This is the Wales cabinet.
Okay.
We have 3 different style options.
Okay.
And here we chose the 3-door.
Wonderful. I love this. This is so sleek. I love the metal look with the glass. I just love that. I think it's a sleek feel. And you know, it has a really nice powder coated finish.
It does. But what do you think of that gold hardware?
You know, I'm all about the gold and the bling, so I think that's fun. And it just opens up to such ample storage here. And I just love how you've merchandised it as almost like a china cabinet as well. But it can serve, you can serve right off of this. And again, the way you have styled it with this amazing dramatic art here. And then, you know, you grounded everything with this great crackle rug. I just love this look. And this is a great option as a server and china
It really
option.
is.
Shall we go look at the next one?
Let's do it.
That's my favorite one, so I can't wait to see it.
Me neither.
Now, Dawn, we have our third look, which is one of my favorites because it has such a great eclectic styling.
Yes.
We've mixed so many of our collections and made one amazing good look.
We have.
Let's get started.
Sure.
We have our Ivy 72-inch table.
Yes, and what's interesting about this table is it's not necessarily contemporary.
Right.
You can do this in an industrial or farmhouse setting. Lots of different options.
Has a great finish to it.
It's beautiful.
And what about these chairs?
Yes, these chairs are a little bit more contemporary or transitional. Nice upholstered seat, curved back to give you that comfort.
Yes, and these are from our Hearst collection. And then we have these wonderful chairs anchoring this table.
Yes, don't
Love
you think it would
these.
be so comfortable to sit here?
Yes. These are our wonderful accent chairs by Elements with this really cool lines here, and the detail of the nail heads really make it sparkle.
Very pretty, yes.
Now let's move to the very exciting piece that pulls this all together.
Let's do it.
Okay.
So Sonja, we have really curated a very unique look here.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yes.
It's lovely. And this is really sets off the look.
It does. This is actually a TV cabinet.
I love that. So just a
Yes.
huge, this is like 80 inches of a
It
media
is.
console. Love this. And just talk to me about this because it is so grand.
So push that button right there. Just push the door. There you go. It's got the
Oh.
push button latches.
Wonderful.
Lots of storage all throughout, so you can
Yes.
store your serving platters,
Yes.
your dishes.
Yes. So we just transitioned this piece from media
Right.
to dining.
Right. But what's really unique about this piece are these doors. Look at the raised detail
I
here.
just love it. Just has this really cool geometric style to it.
Yes, very unique.
Wonderful. Now we have a second choice, so
We
let's
do.
take a look at that.
Okay.
Now this piece is from our Palisade collection, and it is a media console as well.
It is. So it gives you lots of storage, just like the last piece. Go ahead and open one of those doors for us. So again, shelves for all the
Yes,
storage.
lots of great storage.
And did you see the detail on this one?
I did.
It's a herringbone pattern.
I love that herringbone pattern. Just makes it very special.
Yes.
Part of that unique eclectic style that we've
Yes.
done in this whole entire
Right
look.
on trend.
Absolutely. Wonderful details here. And you know, I love how, like you said, we've curated this really unique style and look with amazing prices,
That's
right?
right.
I mean, you can't find these prices anywhere in town. And just, you can go from any of our collections and to create just such a unique style, right? And I just love it. Everything you see here and more is available at American Furniture Warehouse. We look forward to seeing you at our next Designer's Den.